In this lecture, we will discuss the types of data. Broadly, data can be classified as either qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative data represents characteristics such as a person's gender, marital status, country, etc. On the other hand, quantitative data is numerical information. For example, your weight, your IQ, the number of children that you have, or say the life of an electric bulb of a company, and etc. Quantitative data can be further broken down into two types, discrete and continuous. Discrete data is the data that cannot be divided. It is distinct and can only take certain values. For example, the number of machines that you have in your factory, or say the number of children that you have. You cannot have 1.5 children. On the other hand, continuous data can take any value within a range. For example, if you have a car with 15 gallons of tank capacity, then you can purchase any amount of gasoline within the interval 0 to 15. You might pump 6.20 gallons, or 6.28 gallons, or 6.2845 gallons, or any possible number from 0 to 15. So in this case, the exact amount of gasoline purchased at the pump would be continuous data. It is important to note that when we have qualitative data, we can use numeric codes to facilitate data collection and to prepare the data for entry into a computer database. For example, if we have some data on gender, we can denote male by 1 and female by 2. Also, the statistical analysis available to summarize the qualitative data is limited. We can summarize the qualitative data by drawing pie charts, bar diagram, etc. But if we try to use arithmetic operations on the numeric codes provided to qualitative data, we will not get meaningful results. On the other hand, if we have quantitative data, then arithmetic operations often provide meaningful results. For example, we can add the available data and then divide it by the number of observations to compute the average value, and this average is usually meaningful and easily interpreted. So in general, we have more alternatives for statistical analysis when the data is quantitative. I will discuss more on the ways of summarizing quantitative and qualitative data in my upcoming lectures.